Hey guys, this is a quick review. It's just being around 1 year. That's it. So this just stayed throughout winter. Sure, we don't really go out during winter. And all I can tell you is that we even noticed the first year really that it's not the best thing ever, and we will change it. And that's why we don't have any furniture right on it, because we will change this. So the reason why this didn't actually turn out is because here you can actually see it on the edge what is happening to it. It's just a year later, basically just one summer of use, and that's it. And we didn't shuffle this throughout the winter or anything like that, just in case. But you can see as it's coming out, so there's no bald spots yet. That we can see here on the edge, that's what happened. But the thing is, if you run bare feet on this just comes out and stays on your feet. So it gets everything dirty. So you can kind of see it. If I just go like this, that is not dust. I actually just cleaned this because we're gonna give it another try. It just comes out. So you guys can see kind of the particles. And it just keeps coming out and out. And right now I'm rubbing it, but you don't really have to rub it. You can just walk on top of this and it's gonna keep coming out and coming out. What I already did is wash this thing, plus what I did as well was use the blower on it, and he blew a bunch of this stuff out. However, even after that, it still has a ton, so it's still coming out and it's coming loose. You guys can see, even if I go like this, there's already a bit of a bald spot there, but just very little. I'm not really worried about that, the bald spots. It's not that horrible. However, the material just keeps coming out and coming out, so that's pretty bad. So this was a huge disappointment. I would not recommend getting this type of rug ever. A few people asked me to do the review, and here comes the review, because we did a video about installing this. It looked okay at first. We liked it, but you guys can see what's going on here, and it's nothing good. Again, this just stays on your feet. Once you go inside the house, it's kind of like being covered in grass, fake grass, but a lot worse because this like plastic, and it's very sticky. So once again, here are the particles that are just coming out. So the first summer when we used this, that did not happen, so we were actually happy with it. But obviously this spring when we came out, and it was horrible, like what I just showed you with the particles. Then I cleaned it out, and now you can still see that it leaves more and more particles, and just more of it is coming out. So it's definitely not worth it, although it might look just okay. So right now our next step is actually to remove all this, and we're gonna replace it with something else, and then try out the next thing over and see what happens. But as far as this review goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.